Good day, welcome to Motional Design, the continuation of our missing duplex tutorial that we have started for a period of time. So in this particular episode, what we're going to do is that we're going to develop the concrete fascia at the same time have trusses to this roof complexity. So in the last episode, we were able to do a lot of work. So we did foundation, ground floor design. So we put all this into influential places. So we continue with the level 2, the bedroom and every other arrangement that are supposed to be there. So the next one is we did the roof, which is we completed everything and other things. So there in the foundation we were able to construct this survey plan using a drafting method and the accuracy we get and every other thing. So if you want to watch everything, so just go to our playlist and watch everything from beginning. And if you are new to us to our channel, kindly subscribe at the same time, like what we do, and help us to share as well if what we do here pleases to you. Then if you are not a member, if you want to get a template, you can click on membership, pay to YouTube, we get involved with you and they will link you up with what you do, and everything will be safe with YouTube, and I'm going to upload most of these things to you. So let's move to the lesson of today. So we go to south elevation. This is how the south elevation look like, one side of it, but where we want to work to really look is the front elevation. So from here now, we want to create a concrete fascia around this place that are going to beautify it, and at the same time put what is it called, the trusses around this place. So if you are watching before, this is another method, it's another opportunity for you to understand the details of what you want to do. So what you do here is that you select here, you select roof on this level, you can go to level of the roof. So you select the last one, which is here. Leave the what is it called here, edges of the roof, that is the. So all you need to do now is go to the split elevation from here, call on this, then you bring it down. So since you have something that you have done before, like in this place I have already done something for slope glazing, so that when the roof will convert to that, I'm just going to click on it and convert straight up. So everything is going to click to slope glazing and give me a fabulous trusses as I needed it in this project. So it's there already. So what you need to go to 3D, click on any of the roof, and you see what I have created through the influencer aspect. So if you don't know how to create it, this is where you come to and go and come and check. So you edit this and say this slope glazing edit like that. So you follow these steps, you can snap it, screenshots and snapshot it, and you follow it on your own on your own design. So empty panel system, the conjoining condition not defined, layout fix of this at this level, both horizontal and line. So I use only a stereotype for the only one part of a grid mullion. So that's what you do, and you go to that and check it. So this one is satisfy whatever you want to do and give you that influence. So now what you need to do now is to make sure that you edit it and bring them, return them to something smaller. So what you do, you click on offset. From the offset like 200 will be okay for you. So without copy, so that you saved it inward. So offset without copy, you saved it inward. So you'll be able to continue with your design without anything giving you headache. So click finish. At that level, everything is going to come back to normal. Do not attach. So go to your section. Section. So when you look at section, you're going to see it's already built up and it's not more attaching to this. So you leave it like that, or you attach it back to the original position. So select this the front side as well, edit this and go to roof and then you select and do the same pattern of offset you did here, and you click finish. So you do the same thing here as well. You just look around whether you can be able to pick it. So you pick it from here, then edit it. So from here you do the same thing, you turn it back. Good. So you click finish. That's nice. So what we do here is that we have already done this whole thing finish. So go to section and everything is perfectly arranged and set into place. So whatever you want to do here now is particular to the design influence. So what we do next is that you go to east elevation and look at it, the pattern of which you want to create your fascia concrete. So go to roof level, and the roof level now, what you do, underlay, move it. I don't need it again. Underlay, I don't want you. So what I want to work on now is work on the base roof, which is the one in this particular one. This one I just adjust one that we later just put to it. So we click on components, and the components say model in place. The model in place, now click on post work. At the case work now, you can put it like that. I say fascia. So you click like that and set. So what you do, you click on sweep. At the sweep now you pick say. So for what you do here is that you want to work with only the concrete fascia you are doing, and you are doing the sketch here straight up. So as you have done with this, you leave it in this level. So you can just now say finish. So when you click finish, then you want to go and edit the profile, go to east elevation where you're going to see it front way. So from here now you design the pattern of which you want the whole thing to look like. So I'm setting it up at 100. I'm doing it this way. So I'm going to make sure I have the thick line. So I want to be seeing the line influence. So I'm not going to do any so I'm not doing that in this case, like drawing the curve or things like that. So I just want to put 3 line, or let me just introduce it to 4 so that you look more details. So line this, so issue. So now you put this one here and click done with this, click finish and click finish. So your concrete is done halfway. So you have this in this place. So what you do next is to mirror it. Mirror this one now. Give it this one. So it's there. It's copy. Fine. So what you do next, as you have done with this, is it going to have the same effect? So you edit it, because it may not just be joining, because some of these are not accurately involved. So go to the roof plan and go back there, then align to what you need. So shift this one to the back. Leave that as it is for now. So we check and remove it so that you'll be able to fix at that point that you needed to do. So this is it. And stay at that level. So click finish and go back to and say click finish again. So go to east elevation and check the effect of what you have done. So now you cover this up at this level. So from here now you copy this one, just copy from the edge, good, and bring it here, good. The edges are joined. So what you need, edit. So from there, say edit sketch, go to roof and then put the energy into it by selecting it. So you can influence it by adding it together with this one. And so let this guy go here. So what we do next, remove this one and say okay, adjust it and bring it to somewhere where you can work with. So remove it, just go away from that side. So you remove that level and come to it and make it and let it go inside the roof so that you'll be able to cover some certain things. So influence that with this, draw it. So as you're done with this, click on delete. So click here and say select. So here you are going to do what? You are going to fix this up like this and click OK. Bring this to here by selecting this and adjust it back to the position where it's supposed to be. So adjust it. So you adjust it and click finish. So something is there that's giving us to continue. Delete this. Delete. So click finish. Click finish. So go to his elevation. So this one is there permanent. So you can now go to south, then you mirror it as well so that you cover the back. So mirror this. Good. So here you go to, you can push it back. Bending. So you go to roof. At the roof now you do editing the sweep and edit the sketch. So you have nothing to do with the part. So part is done. Sketch. What you need to work on is the. So you have adjusted all this one in place. Everything is accurate. So select finish and select finish. So start elevation now. You have everything in place. So select all and edit the material. So get the material load and preload. So you can use anyone. Just use this one and say aluminium and say duplicate with material. So use graphics appearance at the same time, change it from here. So what you do here is that you select the materials as fit. So you should know the style I use. I'm going to use ceramic. So for ceramic, so porcelain. So porcelain is going to be, I'm going to use ice white. So ice white is what I'm selecting now. Oh, error. So this one is going to give me headache, and this is what I don't want because it's going to take most of my time and delay me in that which I'm doing. So I've adjusted this and everything is in place. So this is it. So you have it in place now. You can click finish and refresh here and everything is right to So this is the proportion to what we do. The elevation is there. So the purpose of this are for accuracy. So you click around and see that okay, the beauty of this is coming out. Depending the time we are going to work on something influential. So this is the facial concrete and everything. So you can select this one and see that yes, this is the whole thing and this is the way through the science. So appreciate you for watching. We meet in our